tam kukkunta kunta tam kukkunta tari kitta takkunta tari kitta kukkunta takkunta takkunta takkitta ಶಾರದೆ ಜಯ ಶಾರದೆ
जय शारदे वागीश्वरी विधिकन्यके विद्याधरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी विधिकन्यके विद्याधरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी विधिकन्यके विद्याधरी जय शारदे वागी
Vidyarambham karishyami siddhirbhavatu me sada. Meaning, O Goddess Saraswati, my humble salutations to you, who is the giver of boons and fulfills all desires. As I begin my studies, may you bless me with success always. Namaste and a very good morning to everyone. On behalf of Sri Rama Vidyalaya, we warmly welcome all to this very special occasion, Aksharabhyasa, the auspicious beginning of a beautiful journey into the world of learning.
Aksharabhyasa is also known as Vidyarambham, is a sacred and symbolic ceremony where our tiny tots are formally introduced to the world of letters, knowledge and wisdom.
Today is not just the first day of school, but a spiritual and emotional milestone in every child's life and also in the heart of their parents. Now I'd like to call upon Nikita of Class 6 for the invocation song.
ಶರಣು ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ವೀರ್ಯ ಪ್ರದಾಯಕ ಶರಣು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ತನಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಶರಣು ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಶರಣು.
With divine blessings, we shall now invoke the presence of the Almighty through the lighting of the lamp. A tradition that signifies the removal of darkness and illumination of knowledge. Now I would like to call the dignitaries to kindle the lamp.
Dignitaries on the dais, well-wishers, parents, staff of Agrigami Group of Education Institutions, and my dear friends, good morning and a very warm welcome to one and all. I begin this program with the blessings of late Sri Rashtriya Ratna Dr. H.R. Satish Chandra Sir. Now with the blessings of our chairman, Srimati Lalitamma, Agrigami Group of Education Institutions, we would like to welcome Sri K. Shantaram Sir, Chairman of Managing Committee of Sri Rama Vidyalaya Sir. Your presence today is truly an honor for all of us. We welcome you, sir. We take immense pleasure in welcoming Sri Prabhakar Velu, sir, Vice Chairman of Agrigami Group of Education. Sir, your presence here today is a great source of motivation and encouragement. We welcome you, sir. We take immense pleasure in welcoming Mr. Shashi Kumar, sir, High Court lawyer. We are honored to have your presence in this occasion. We welcome you, sir. It is with great respect and joy that I take this opportunity to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our beloved principal, Dr. Rupa Kudam. Under your guidance, this institution continues to be a place where values are nurtured, talents are recognized, and every child is given a space to shine. We welcome you, ma'am. Welcome our dear parents to this special occasion of Orientation Day and the sacred ceremony of Aksharabhyasa, a significant milestone in every child's educational journey. We are absolutely thrilled to welcome all our dear students to our school family. Once again, we welcome you all and look forward to a wonderful journey ahead. Thank you.
ಪೂಜಾ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದಿವಸ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸ, ಅಕ್ಷರ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಷಯ ಇಲ್ಲದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಶ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದಿವಸ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರ ನಮಗೆ ದಯವನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರನನ್ನು ನೆನೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದಂತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂ ವರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವ ವಿಘ್ನೋಪ ಶಾಂತಯೇ ಅಗಜಾನನ ಪದ್ಮಾರ್ಕಂ ಗಜಾನನ ಮಹರ್ನಿಶಂ ಅನೇಕದಂತಂ ಭಕ್ತಾನಾಂ ಏಕದಂತ ಉಪಾಸ್ಮದೆ. ವಿಘ್ನೇಶ್ವರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನವಾಗಿ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರುಣಿಸಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ದಯಪಾಲಿಸು. ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಕಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಂ ವಿಕಟಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಓಂ ವಿಘ್ನರಾಜಾಯ ನಮಃ, ಓಂ ಧೂಮಕೇತವೇ ನಮಃ, ಓಂ ಕುಮನು. ಮಗು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟಾಗಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಗು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಸಬೇಕು, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಸಬೇಕು. ಓಂ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಸಿದ್ಧೈ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಸರಸ್ವತ್ಯೈ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಸರಸ್ವತ್ಯೈ ನಮಃ. ಹಲಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಡಿ, ಹಲಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಡಿ, ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಹಲಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿಡಿ. ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಶ್ಲೋಕನ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಮಸ್ತುಭ್ಯಂ ವರದೆ ಕಾಮರೂಪಿಣಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಂಭಂ ಕರಿಷ್ಯಾಮಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಭವತು ಮೇ ಸದಾ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿ. ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸ ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರಾಜಾಧಿರಾಜಾಯ ಪ್ರಸಜ್ಜತಾಹಿರೇ ನಮೋ ಭಯಂ ವೈ ಶ್ರವಣಾಯ ಕುರ್ಮಹೇ ತಮೇ ಕಾಮಾನ್ ಕಾಮಕಾಮಾಯ ಮಹ್ಯಂ ಕಾಮೇಶ್ವರೋ ವೈ ಶ್ರವಣೋ ದದಾತು ಕುಬೇರಾಯ ವೈ ಶ್ರವಣಾಯ ಮಹಾರಾಜಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರಿಂದ
ವೀಣಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕಧಾರಿಣಿ ವರವೀಣಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕಧಾರಿಣಿ ವಾಣಿ ಮಂಗಳಕಾರಿಣಿ ಚದುಲ ರಾಣಿ ಯೋಗ ವಿಚಾರಿಣಿ ಭವತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾದೇಹಿ ತೀರ್ಸುವೆ ಜ್ಞಾನಾತಿ ಭವಿತಕು ವಾಸನೀವೆ ವಾಸನವಾಸಿನಿ ವೀಣಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕಧಾರಿಣಿ ವರವೀಣಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕಧಾರಿಣಿ.
Agree, it was a wonderful performance. Learning, laughter, play, and a lots of love. We understand that stepping into school life for the first time can be a big moment, not just for the child, but for the parents too. Now let us introduce you to the wonderful team who will be taking care of your child with love, patience, and dedication. Please welcome our kindergarten teachers.
Good morning, Anata. Myself Purnima. I am the class teacher of pre-nursery and I am handling Kannada for LKG and UKG. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Ratna. I am a class teacher of UKG and I am handling Kannada for English and Hindi. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Bhagya Lakshmi. I am handling maths for pre-nursery, LKG, UKG and first standard. Thank you.
Class teacher of LKG. Soumya, I am the class teacher of LKG. I will be handling English and EVS for LKG and EVS for UKG. Thank you. We believe that early childhood is kindergarten. We believe that early childhood is not just about learning ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. It's about sparking curiosity, nurturing imagination, and developing a strong emotional and social foundation. Our curriculum is designed with a balance of structured learning like language, math, and science concept, and play-based activities such as storytelling, music, art, and physical play. These methods ensure children learn through exploration and joy, not to pleasure. We have lots of activities and events which is being conducted in our school for our tiny tots. We celebrate different colors day like red day, blue day, green day, yellow day, orange day, which helps children in recognizing and identifying different colors. We have field trips for our tiny tots which helps them to providing real world of experiences. We also celebrate many festivals like Janmashtami, Sankranti, Christmas, etc., which helps young children to learn about culture, tradition, and customs. We have a special AV room for our children, which helps our children to learn through visuals. And as it captures their attention and improves their ability to remember what they have learned. We also have fun trips for our tiny toes where children can play, enjoy and have fun. We celebrate Sports Day where our children will be engaged in various activities like running race, ball balancing, crossing hurdles, etc. It helps in improving children's motor skills and build strong muscles and bones. All the physical activities helps in improving the gross motor skills in a child. This is just the beginning of the beautiful journey where your children will grow, learn and discover with love and joy every step of the way. Thank you and welcome to our kindergarten family.
And loving hands your children will be in every day. You can trust that they will guide your little ones with care and encouragement.
Respected members of the dais and I'm very happy to welcome you all and respected parents, and you have seen the puja and I'm very happy and thanking you all. Thank you.
Ma'am, to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. I'm really happy to see you all participating in this with so much of enthusiasm, and I really appreciate because you have taken out your precious and valuable time. I know some of you have even taken off or even permission because it's a working day, and it was unavoidable for us because it's an auspicious day and we have to do in this auspicious day only. So it was scheduled in a very quick manner. I think you all got it in a very short notice. I thank you once again for being a part of this. All the best and God bless you children. Hope you all will achieve and come out with bright colors. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to call upon Ratna ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. I thank Sri K. Shantaram sir for Vardhan Velu sir for all his timely advice and his presence on these occasions. Thank you, sir. I thank Shashikumar sir for all his constant support. Thank you, sir. I thank Dr. Rupa Kurum ma'am, principal of Sri Rama Vidyalaya, for her love and support towards the institution. Thank you, ma'am. I thank all the well-wishers, heads of Agrigami Group of Institutions and staff of Sri Rama Vidyalaya. I record. Also, I thank all the parents for their untiring help and cooperation in all our endeavors. We record our thanks for having responded to our invitation. We hope for your continued support and cooperation. Finally, my hearty thanks to all the children of our group of institutions who made celebration a grand success. Thank you, one and all.